Hello everyone, and welcome back.
In this video, I'll show you how to set up a free email automation in MailerLite. It's like a welcome series for new subscribers. First, log into your MailerLite dashboard. From the sidebar, click on Automations. Now, click the Create Automation button. You'll see different triggers select. When someone subscribes to a form and choose the form you use for signups, give your automation a name, like Welcome Series, and click Create. You'll now see a blank workflow canvas. Click Add Email to create the first message in your sequence. A window will open where you can design your email. Write a warm subject line like Welcome to our community. Compose the email body. Thank them for subscribing and perhaps give them a useful tip or resource. You can use the drag and drop editor to add images or buttons. Set when this email should send. For a welcome email, immediately after entering automation is perfect. Click Save to add another email to the sequence. Click the plus icon after your first email and select Wait, then choose a delay like 2 days later. After the wait step, add another email. This could be a follow-up with more value or an introduction to your products. Continue building your sequence this way. The free plan allows you to create automations with multiple steps. When you're finished, click Start Automation in the top right to activate it, and that's it. Now, every new subscriber will automatically receive your welcome series without you lifting a finger. If this saves you time, let me know what kind of automation you'll create, and I'll see you in the next one.